Hey guys, welcome back to our complete web development course. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can insert an image in your HTML page. So without any further intro, let's get started. So for inserting an image in your HTML page, we have to use an image tag. So this image tag has two required attributes, src attribute and alt attribute. src attribute defines the location of an image and alt attribute defines the alternate text of an image. So in case if the image doesn't load, this alternate text will be displayed in place of an image. So here we are going to write our code in Visual Studio Code. So let me open up my VS Code first. So first let's clear this code, whatever it is. Okay. So now first let's create some basic tags like the doc type HTML. And after that HTML tag. And inside the HTML tag let's write a head tag. And give this page a little bit title like insert image in HTML. Okay, now after the head tag let's open a body tag. Okay, let's also write a h1 heading. Why we write slide anything, 1 or 2. Okay, so once it's done, just click on enter, and now we have to write. So once it's done, now we are gonna use an image tag to insert an image in our HTML page. So for that, let's open an image tag img. Okay, now type src. So as I already told you, this image tag has two required attributes, src attribute and alt attribute. So now let's type the src attribute and type equal to. Okay, now here you have to copy the location of an image which you want to insert in your HTML page. So let's first copy the location of an image. So now here you can select any image which you want to insert in your HTML page. Let's say I want to insert this image in my HTML page. Simply just right click on this image and go to properties. Now here you can see you had to copy the location of an image. So click on select it and click Ctrl C. You can close this window because it's of no use now. Okay. Now inside this src attribute between the double quotes, we have to paste the location of an image. Now once it's done, press the slash and again go back to the image. Now we have to copy the name of an image. So here the name is area that we copy the name of this image, and also remember that file type. So this image is of .jpeg file. Just remember it and click on. Now we'll close this image, there's no use. And after the slash, let's paste the image name here. And after that, give the image whatever it is saved. For example, this image is saved in the type of .jpeg. So let's type the .jpeg after it. Okay. Now once it's done, you have to type an alt attribute which defines the alternate text of an image. Now type equal to, and inside this you have to write some alternate text of an image. So in case if the image doesn't load, this alternate text will be displayed in place of an image. So let's write anything like hardware image. Okay, once it's done, now you have to close this image tag. Okay, now if we run this code, you can see here Okay, you can see here, this is how you can display an image in your HTML page. Now also you can change the height and width of an image. For that you have to write the height attribute. Let's write the height attribute and give a value to it like 250 260 px 260 px, and also write the width attribute and give its value 500 px. You can write anything, it's up to you. Now if we run this code, now you can see that the size of an image is changed. If you want to adjust it to the higher image, like I want to add this width to 700 and make the height to 160. Now if we run this code, now you can clearly see here how the size of an image is changed. So in this way you can change the size, and so in this way you can change the height and width of an image. I hope you guys like this video. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you next time. Till then, thank you and bye bye.